Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to access Battlefield 2042. It's important to understand that this game is designed exclusively for online multiplayer experiences. To participate in any of its modes, including playing against other players, or even against artificial intelligence bots, a PlayStation Plus subscription is absolutely necessary. There are no traditional offline modes or single-player campaigns to enjoy without an internet connection. PlayStation Plus is a subscription service that unlocks online multiplayer for most premium games on PlayStation consoles. Since Battlefield 2042 is a full-price title, not a free-to-play experience, it falls under this requirement. The entire game is built around online interactions, meaning every aspect, from large-scale battles to smaller skirmishes, relies on an active PlayStation Plus membership to function. You might recall that during its beta phase, Battlefield 2042 did not require a PlayStation Plus subscription. However, this was a temporary exception for testing purposes and does not apply to the full game. While some premium titles occasionally offer free-to-play weekends, these are infrequent and provide only a brief window of access. For consistent gameplay, the PlayStation Plus requirement remains in effect. If playing Battlefield 2042 is a priority, considering a PlayStation Plus subscription is the most direct path. Beyond enabling online multiplayer for this game, PlayStation Plus offers a vast library of hundreds of games, monthly free titles, and exclusive discounts. It also provides valuable cloud storage for your game saves, making it a comprehensive service for PlayStation gamers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.